Jorge's bike check.
Stolen Casino 2011.
Jorge. Jorge, fine. God. Jorge.
Got my haircut. It looks like a butt.
Go.
Okay. Let's start at the front. So we got the stolen Tornado fork with the micro dropout.
I don't know what that is. Ha. Okay, go.
And then we got the G Sport Good Peg Pro.
It is? It's a G Sport?
Yes, G Sport.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know
The
that.
stolen what you call it, rim? A stolen Revolt, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, stolen Revolt rim
With
the stolen stock hub, I guess.
Yeah, everything on this bike is stock except the
Wait, don't
pedals
spoil it. Don't spoil it. Okay, and the tire is 20 by 2.20. Yeah, it's a really fat tire. I like this tire. And then it's got the stolen Convict 3 stem.
Okay, fine.
The stolen Convict 3 stem. It's a face this way thing. I don't know how you say it.
Front load stem.
Yeah, front load stem with the stolen mid bars.
Stolen. Okay, anyways, yeah. And then the stolen mid bars.
Stolen mid bars. It says all the stuff over here. 10 degrees back, 2 degrees up, 7.7.
People don't care about that. They just only care about the rise and the width.
Oh. Well then.
We don't know. We know the rise. 7 point what? 5?
I don't know
7,
my width. Yeah, 7.7. Stolen money grips.
Yep.
These grips are actually pretty good. These are like, these are like. Actually.
Get some.
Then the stolen Vortex bar ends, made out of rubber. Okay.
No, it's plastic rubber. It's like plastic.
Whatever, rubber, plastic thing.
Plasticky.
Okay.
Plasticky.
We got the Hamilton, Steven, PC pedals in blue.
Steven Hamilton?
No.
Not
yes,
Hamilton.
Whatever. Steven Hamilton,
Steven
PC pedals.
Hamilton.
That's what I said.
He's Steven. Or anyways, go.
Okay, Steven Hamilton pedals, blue. These are nice pedals. Stolen mop cranks with the not very good. I think it's unsealed bottom brackets.
The American bottom bracket or something.
Something like that. They're sealed anyways. They don't have good bottom brackets.
Like my bike. My bike is the sexy green one that we're gonna have a bike check for next. Yeah, get some. Okay.
And then the other pedal, the mop crank, the stolen classic ring star thing, the chain wheel, whatever sprocket, 25 tooth.
Then the blue chain.
The blue KMZ chain. Whatever.
See.
Then the back drive is an 8 tooth.
It is?
Yeah, it's 8 tooth.
I thought it was 9.
No, it's 8 tooth.
I've been mistaken this time.
Yeah. Same as front with the blue caps. I forgot to mention the blue cap. Blue cap is really nice. A little dirty, but.
And then the tires are 20 by 2.10.
No. This is 8 This is 20 by.
1.95. 2.
Yeah, 1.95. It's 1.95. It's like skinny.
Slash 2.0.
Slash 2.10.
Yeah.
They're these kind of tires. Then
and then the top tube, it says right there, it says
20.
Yeah, it says 20. It's the top tube length is 20 by 20.5 inches. I don't know what the CS or the 20 or the 74.5 degree thing is, but yeah.
Then
and this says TIG welded. What does that mean?
It's been welded by people.
By Chinese people.
No, Taiwan people. It says made in Taiwan in the bottom. Okay, then we got the stolen seat post combo. Seat and then seat post combo. With the seat clamp.
Yeah.
And then no brakes.
Mm-hmm. We don't ride brakes, we pimp like that.
Yeah. Stolen casino frame with the little animal sticker here.
Yep, the animal sticker.
Yeah, that animal sticker.
And don't forget the biggest thing. The Mexican riding the bike. Jorge. And that is Jorge's bike check. My bike check will be up next.